Okay, I would like to introduce the demonstration environment for TBS-300 and the 4G LTE Gateway. This device is 4G LTE Gateway, and this device can put one SIM card inside the 4G LTE Gateway, and it has two antenna for 4G LTE connection, and two antenna for Wi-Fi, local Wi-Fi connection, and two ports, two Ethernet ports for Ethernet cable connection. And this is TBS-300. This is standalone OTT Mini-OTT server. It has 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi antenna and 5 Ethernet ports. One is WAN port and 4 LAN ports. So later we can connect the WAN port to 4G LTE gateways LAN port to access internet. And this is my notebook laptop PC for administration of TBS-300 and 4G LTE gateway. And this is iPad. So later I will use this iPad to connect to TBS-300 to watch a movie and access internet. OK， 好。然后我现在 Now I will use my laptop PC to connect to the 4G LTE gateway, and let's make sure the 4G LTE gateway is connected to 4G LTE. I have a Ethernet cable and connect to the 4G LTE gateway's LAN port. This is LAN port, and connect to my laptop PC here. You can see I have already disabled my Wi-Fi connection, and only LAN port is enabled. Okay, let's check the 4G LTE gateway IP address. This is 4G LTE gateway's default IP address. Okay, use the browser for administration. And log into 4G LTE gateway. You can see the status, WAN link status, WAN 1. We use 4G LTE to connect to the internet, and the 4G LTE gateway already got the IP address from telecom company. And let's try to access website, Google website. So now we can make sure the 4G LTE is connected to internet already. Now we need to connect the Ethernet cable from TBS-300 WAN port here, and connect to the 4G LTE gateway's LAN port here, and power on TBS-300. By the way, my laptop PC need to connect to TBS-300 LAN port. Okay. And let's check the IP address. Because the cable is connected to my laptop PC and the TBS-300, so my laptop PC need to obtain the IP address from TBS-300. Let's check the IP address. Okay, we can see the default gateway is 172.16.100.1. This is the IP address of the LAN port of TBS-300. Okay. Okay. Because my laptop is connected to the LAN port, and any internet access request, the TBS-300 will redirect to the portal website. However, I would like to access the administration page. The administration page is HTTP the 1880 port number is for administration. Switch to English user interface and enter the administrator's password. First, we need to make sure whether the TBS-300 connect to internet already. Okay. IP address. For now, the TBS-300 get the LAN IP address from 4G LTE Gateway. Okay. And the internet status open. Open means the TBS-300 can access internet now. So the TBS-300 is ready to surf internet. Okay. Okay, now we need to check the Wi-Fi SSID of the TBS-300. Okay, the Wi-Fi SSID by default is Wi-Fi underline TV. So later, our smartphone or tablet need to connect to Wi-Fi underline TV SSID for access the TBS-300. And there are two operation models. By default, the TBS-300 will use force model. Force model means any devices, mobile devices, connect to Wi-Fi underline TV, and the tablet or smartphone only can access the portal image and the portal contents, such as VOD or TV channel, and the user cannot surf internet, which means the user cannot access YouTube, cannot access Google, cannot access any internet website if you enable force model. Okay, let's try. Let's check the which Wi-Fi SSID we connected. Okay, now we connect to Wi-Fi underline TV. Yeah, no problem. And open browser. Google. Let me check. I enter news website, Taiwan news website, and the TBS-300. He got the request and forward this traffic to TBS-300, and this page is a portal website of TBS-300. It provides TV channel and VOD. Okay. Now, I preloaded some contents to TBS-300. Okay, and this one.
Spencer, Bethany, Bridge, Martha. You're all here for a reason. You know what it is. You should be thinking about who you are and who you want to be. Fortunately, you'll have plenty.
This is VOD, so I can move forward and move backward. Okay, if you would like to watch TV channel, okay, let's try to access internet website. For example, connect to the see, I cannot access any website because TBS-300 will redirect the traffic to the portal web page. Okay, and now I switch okay, we need to log in again the administration page. English. UI management. Force model, disable it. Okay, and enable free model. And let's reconnect the Wi-Fi again. Switch on the Wi-Fi. Connect to Wi-Fi TV again. Okay, connected, and open the browser. The TBS-300 will redirect the request to a portal website. However, now you can see icon free internet. If the mobile use, click this icon free internet. Click to internet, and now this user can surf internet. Because you click the surf internet, and the TBS allows this device to access internet, so I can access Google and YouTube. So I can play any video of YouTube. So TBS-300 provides two models for access internet or disallow to access internet. I draw a connection diagram of the demonstration, and let me briefly introduce. First, this is 4G LTE Gateway here, and this is TBS-300 Mini-OTT server, and this is iPad tablet, and this is 4G LTE base station outside the office. And we need to make sure the 4G LTE gateway can connect to 4G LTE base station and able to access internet. And next step, we connect an Ethernet cable from TBS-300 to 4G LTE gateway's LAN port. And we can use laptop PC or tablet or smartphone to enter the TBS-300 administration page to configure the environment configuration. And in operation model, it provides two models. One is false model, which means disallow to access internet. The other is free model, most model, which means allows user to access internet. And the mobile use connect to the TBS-300 through the Wi-Fi, SSID Wi-Fi TV. By default is SSID is Wi-Fi underline TV. You can change this SSID name. And the mobile user use their smartphone or tablet connect to the TBS-300. Suppose the TBS-300 is configured to free model, and the mobile user will see a free internet icon in the portal page of TBS-300. Once the mobile user click free internet icon, then he can and the devices can access to 4G LTE gateway and access the internet. Suppose the TBS-300 is configured to false model, which means the mobile user only can access the content of TBS-300 and disallow to access internet.